lady here, she was trying to buy merchandise. Unfortunately, I cannot give her a discount. When she said her brother, I have to follow Ross policy. She does not want to leave the store, and I'm gonna have to trespass.
Okay, ma'am. Can you hear me? Okay. You have to leave the store, all right?
Hard of hearing, so.
Wait, you gotta leave the store, all right? If you refuse to leave, you'll be subject to arrest. Okay? You have an ID on you? Can I get your ID?
I'm gonna say no, like everybody else is telling me no.
You said what? Are you refusing to leave? Like I said, if you do not leave, you'll be placed under arrest. Okay? They're asking you to leave. They're not going to give you the discount. Okay? Are you refusing to leave? I'm going to give you one more time.
It's ridiculous.
How is it ridiculous?
I just want a discount.
You just want a what?
A discount. I don't get, they give their employees discounts, and my boyfriend works for the company and he has my money. Okay? So I don't have the money.
Well, they're not going to give any discounts.
But they won't, well, okay, that's fine. That's fine if they would give the discount, but they won't hold it close for me.
They don't have to hold it close for you. Okay?
I mean,
It's just what?
they're absolutely insane.
Okay? So you have to leave the store. Okay? There's nothing I can do about it. Can't work. If you refuse to leave, you're going to be placed under arrest, okay? For trespass after warning. I've given you more.
Trespassing.
Yes, you are.
I'm allowed to be in the store.
Not if they're asking you to leave.
Right from the opening moments, the tone is already tense. A woman walks into a retail store expecting a discount she clearly isn't entitled to, and when denied, she refuses to accept reality. Staff stays calm, explains policy, and even calls law enforcement to handle the situation professionally. But instead of stepping back, she digs in deeper. What should have been a quick exit turns into a standoff, one driven purely by stubbornness and refusal to listen.
She told you to leave. You're not going to be able to speak to the owner of Ross. You got one more time. I'm going to ask you one more time. And if you do not leave, you're going to be placed under arrest.
You're gonna hurt me.
You're just gonna go to jail.
Please don't hurt me. Like, I'm not doing anything wrong.
Next country, next.
If you do not leave,
So will you hurt me if I don't leave?
I will place you under arrest.
Will you hurt me? I don't want to be hurt. Okay. You guys really
They want to prosecute?
me for
Yeah.
trying to get a discount.
This is waste.
You guys want to prosecute, right?
Because this is, we're gonna be here. This is nonsense.
Do you guys want to prosecute if he doesn't leave?
I'm sorry?
Do you want to prosecute if he doesn't leave?
Prosecute, press charges?
Yes.
Can I contact my store manager about this?
If you say you guys don't want to press charges, we are going to leave without telling her, without removing her from the property. If you guys want to press charges, we'll place her under arrest for trespass after warning.
Okay. Let me verify with him, and then I'll have you. Thank you, guys.
What's your name?
All right, they're calling their store manager. If you do not leave by the time they get off the phone with him, you're going to be under arrest.
It doesn't have to be this way. I just want a
Doesn't.
discount.
You need to leave.
We're telling you to leave.
I just want a discount.
You don't just get discounts because you want a discount. So you can leave or you can be placed under arrest if they want to prosecute. It's as simple as that, ma'am.
You're seriously gonna arrest me for trying to get
What discount are you wanting?
my boyfriend gets 20% off and he works here.
Okay, your boyfriend is not here.
He will be here after 7 p.m. So I'll be here till he gets
You're gonna, if he's really your boyfriend, you're gonna make him lose his job.
Okay, well then I'm not gonna just give me a discount.
No one's going to give you a discount, okay? So you can either leave or you're going to leave in handcuffs and you're going to go to jail for trespassing.
I'm gonna go to jail for wanting a discount.
For trespassing. That's why you're going to go to jail.
Wanting a discount. So,
Okay.
like, all I'm asking for is a discount. That's all I want. Is just
Well,
want a
the discount's
discount,
not gonna happen.
Or I want them to hold my clothes. That's all I want.
Okay.
End 436. Now the situation escalates fast. Officers arrive and make things crystal clear. Leave the store or face arrest. It's not complicated, it's not negotiable, but instead of complying, she shifts into denial mode, questioning authority, stalling, and repeating the same demand. The officers remain composed, Bunny giving her multiple chances to walk away clean. Yet every second she stays, she's pushing herself closer to a line she doesn't seem to understand, or simply refuses to accept.
She wouldn't provide ID either.
I asked her and she.
So this is going to be another charge.
I will give you my ID. You're gonna charge me for not giving you my ID.
I'm letting you know, you're free to leave right now, but once they tell us that they want to prosecute, you're going to be placed under arrest. Just so you know, so nothing's a surprise to you.
What does that mean? What
I've
is
asked you multiple times to
what
leave.
is prosecute? What is
Trespass after warning.
They want to press charges for trespass after
It
warning.
means they want you to leave the store and you won't leave the store.
What will happen?
You go to jail.
How long will I be in jail?
So someone bails you out.
So you bail out.
$1,000 bond.
So I'm gonna go to jail because I'm
So right now you
trying
can
to
leave
get
the store and you won't go to jail.
Like I said, you're free to leave right now, but
But I
once
want
we
to.
get
I
told
want to just buy these clothes.
that they want to press charges, you're going to be in handcuffs and you're going to be in the back of the car.
I just want to get a discount.
You're not getting a discount.
Or I want to hold these clothes so my boyfriend can get
You're not getting a discount.
Okay, I don't have money. My boyfriend has.
You're not. We just told you you're not getting a discount. You don't have money. You don't have a reason to be inside the store.
That's fine, but
Then leave.
I don't have the money.
Okay, so that means you can't buy the clothes, so you need to leave.
My boyfriend.
Then you can call your boyfriend and tell him to purchase the clothes when he comes to work, if he still has a job after this nonsense.
It is nonsense. You guys like.
No, the way you're acting is nonsense. You're a grown woman. You need to walk out and leave so you don't go to jail. Have you ever been to jail before?
Okay, I'm not gonna go to jail. I don't want to go to jail. Just can you please talk this through? Like, what can I do? What else can I do?
We've talked it through
There's
already.
gotta
We've told
be.
you what is going to happen.
There's gotta be another solution, please. Sorry? Please tell me there.
This is where the reality check hits hard. The officers break it down step by step. This isn't about a discount anymore. It's about trespassing after a clear warning. They even explain the consequences, from handcuffs to jail time and bail. Still, she clings to the same argument, ignoring every opportunity to walk away. It's a complete disconnect from the situation, where logic is replaced by emotion, and the outcome becomes almost inevitable.
Another solution.
There is no other solution. You can leave right now because you're not under arrest. They're asking you just to leave the store.
I don't want to get arrested for
You're-
wanting a discount.
You're not going to get arrested for wanting a discount. You're going to get arrested for trespass after warning. Right now, you can leave the store.
But like, are you gonna hurt me if I don't?
Nobody's going to hurt you. You can leave the store right now.
Yeah. It ain't a secret. My thing's recording too, so.
So I have to go to jail.
You do.
No, you have to leave the store. If you don't leave the store, then you have to go to jail.
So okay.
Yeah, okay.
So if I do not leave, I just want to make sure I'm understanding. You tell me my Miranda rights?
You're not detained.
Is it? What's the Miranda?
There's no reason to read Miranda
What is
for
this?
trespass after warning.
Okay. So what? All right. So we don't have to read the Miranda rights. Okay. What? So okay. Let's. I don't want to go to jail. What else can I do?
If you don't want to go to jail, you can just leave the store. It's that
What
easy.
else can I do besides do that?
All right, perfect, you guys. Thank you for trespassing.
I just want to buy these clothes. I don't.
Okay, then you can buy the clothes, but they're not giving you a discount.
I don't. My boyfriend has my money. So I can't buy the clothes.
Okay, so you can't buy the clothes. So then you'll have to leave the clothes here until you get
They
money to
won't
buy
let
them.
me. They won't. That's what they won't let me.
They want to press charges.
Let's go. Stop resisting.
You're gonna hurt me. You're gonna
Yeah, we
hurt me.
know. Stop resisting.
I'm not. I'm not.
Thanks, get up.
I'm
You
not.
want to do it behind the back right there? All right. Did you get your
All right,
headphones
I'll
back?
leave, please. I'll leave.
Nope, too
I'll
late.
leave.
Nope. We already gave you plenty of ample warnings.
Yeah. She also has a charger.
Yeah, I know. I heard you.
Thank you so much.
We just can't charge her with that because she got locked off downstairs. But we'll get it for you.
We told you that you'd be placed under arrest, and you just wanted to sit there and record on your phone. Because you thought we were bluffing.
Can I have my phone?
Nope.
You're detained now. Nope.
I need my phone. I need to record what you're doing to me right
We're
now.
recording right now.
For wanting a discount, can you please? Can you please just give me
Get
your
up.
phone? So you're taking my phone from me. You're taking my phone from me, like. So you're
Ma'am, can you
wait,
walk?
you're
Thank you.
taking all my belongings?
They're gonna go
Wait,
with
no.
you.
The final warning comes, and it's direct. Leave now or get arrested. No confusion, no gray area. But instead of taking that last chance, she stalls again. On trying to negotiate something that's already been decided. And just like that, the moment passes. The officers move in and the situation flips instantly. What could have ended quietly now turns into a physical arrest, all because of one simple decision she refused to make.
Your belongings are gonna go with you.
Then what? Then what are they gonna do?
It's gonna go in your
What are
property.
they? I need my stuff.
Can you
I need
walk
my
so
stuff.
we
That's
don't-
my phone. Like I need my things. You
Ma'am?
can't take my things from me. Though.
We're
We're not
Like
taking your
please,
things.
my stuff is over there and I want it.
He's
And
coming with us.
Can you stand up so we don't have to
please,
drive you?
please don't do this.
We told you what was going to happen.
I'm right behind you.
Instantly get my shoe. Please.
I got it. Let's go.
Try your shoe. Come on.
Stop tensing up. You're gonna get another charge.
Listen, can you walk so you don't get hurt?
Are you gonna hurt? So you're
No
gonna
one wants to hurt
me?
you.
Come on, please. Like, don't hurt me. Like,
This is my phone.
Here, the other way. Do you want us to take it?
We're already here.
Now? Yeah, we're gonna get a resisting too.
come on, you're gonna hurt me.
You're gonna hurt yourself.
Don't hurt
No
me.
one is trying to hurt you.
Please don't hurt me.
Sit in that phone.
on you? Yeah. Okay. Let's go.
Can I please just have a discount?
No, but you're gonna free ride to the Orange County Jail.
River leg.
She's caught on me.
I just want a discount. I just want a discount. I just want a discount.
Just grab.
Please, I just
What we're going to
I
do
just want a
is
discount.
we're going to put her in the car backwards,
I
right?
just want a
And then you're going to go on the other side of the car and pull her in by her leg.
You're gonna hurt me because I want a discount. You're seriously gonna hurt me because I want a discount.
Got her. Ready?
Yeah.
You're hurting me. My arm. My arm. My arm. My arm.
Stop resisting.
Yeah, go on the other side of the car.
Got her?
I won't resist. I'm sorry. Okay.
And this is where everything fully unravels. As she's taken into custody, panic replaces confidence. The same person who stood firm minutes ago is now pleading, resisting, and escalating things even further, adding more potential charges to an already avoidable situation. The officers continue doing their job, trying to control the scene while she spirals. And in the end, it all comes down to one brutal truth. This entire outcome was preventable, but one decision turned a minor inconvenience into a life-altering moment.